Yes, you guessed right. Logical operators. Now, we use logical operators to teach our computer to make logical decisions. Now, in PHP, we are going to use the following set of operators as logical operators. The first of which is and. You can notice that the and is of two types. One has higher precedence than the other. The first is double ampersand and the second is just the alphabet A, N, D in lowercase. There are some cases whereby you must use a particular one, but we might not be able to practicalize those now. But for now, it's good you take note of these logical operators. Remember, we said we use them to teach the computer to make logical decisions. For example, if you have a child, you tell your child, I'm going out, go to the kitchen. There is rice and we have some snacks there. Now, if you see rice and snacks, then eat. So that is exactly how the AND logical operator works. You are telling the computer that two inputs have to be true for it to agree that the result is true. I'll move over to the OR. You notice they are also of two types. One has higher precedence than the other. Now, what this OR simply does is it tells the computer that, okay, you have decisions to make. You are given these conditions. So far, one of the condition is true, then you can return true. In this case, you are telling your child to go to the kitchen. If he meets either rice or snack, then he can eat. But if he gets to the kitchen and does not meet rice, does not meet snack, he does not eat. Even if he gets to the kitchen, he sees only rice, he can eat. If he gets to the kitchen, he sees only snack, he can eat. So it just takes one of the conditions to be true for it to go on and eat. Now the next one is not. Now this one is simply telling the computer to perform a particular operation based on the fact that one condition should not be met. For example, you tell your child, go to the kitchen. If on entering the kitchen, you notice that the floor is dirty, that is, the floor is not clean, do not eat. Now that's just a simple example of that. I hope we're not getting confused here. Now the last one is the exclusive OR. This one is a little bit tricky because it just takes one of the conditions to be true for the computer to return true or for the program to return true. If both conditions are true, the program returns false. If both conditions are false, the program returns false. But if either of the conditions are true, then it returns true. For example, you tell your child, go to the kitchen. If you get to see rice and snacks, do not eat. If you get to the kitchen and you do not see rice or snack, then do not eat. But if you get to the kitchen and you see just rice, then eat. If you get to the kitchen and you see just snack, then eat. That is exactly how the exclusive OR works. And that might be a little bit confusing. In fact, the whole idea of logical operators can be a little bit vague if not seen practically. So in coming tutorials, we are going to show you how to make use of logical operators with our conditions. So please, I will require a little patience from you guys. Now, this is all about the operators in PHP. Thank you for watching, and in the next tutorial, we'll be moving over to another concept in PHP. See you then.